Khasis come, we also go to Malsnai, we go to Shillong, we go elsewhere. It's very good things. But what happened? What it happens in Lapangap, in Tapat, in Kanduli? This should not be happen elsewhere. The SDC will go and speak openly. We will give memorandum to DC also and let the Khasis live peacefully there. Don't fight. If the Khasis from Meghalaya, the Pnar, want to Akaba, nicely, we Karbi give you a freedom. But don't fight. No Baptlikab and all, nothing. So from my side, what we want is that we want peace. The border is not our matter. The border is the matter of the government. But I hate Himanto Viswasarma and Korat Sama because this government will not lead us into a good life. They will destroy the Karbi community and they will destroy also the Khasi community. They will destroy the Nepali community. They destroy the whole set of community. They are destroyers. So what at this moment, at this junction, at this very moment, at this present here, what I want to add is that we live peacefully. We want love and long live SDC. Long live Karbi people. Long live Gorkhali. Long live Khasi.